Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take out Toyota Corolla seats. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid airbag faults, then move the seat to its rearmost position. Remove plastic covers over the front bolts with a trim tool and use a 10 mm socket to unfasten each bolt carefully. Slide the seat forward to access rear bolts and keep wiring harnesses visible for safe disconnects and reconnects later. In this video, I will show how to take out Toyota Corolla seats. With the battery disconnected, unclip plastic caps over front bolts and use a 10 mm socket to remove them. Slide the seat forward to reveal rear bolts and remove those as well, keeping bolts grouped by corner. Have one person hold the seat while another frees the last bolt to prevent tipping and damage to trim or upholstery. In this video, I will show how to take out Toyota Corolla seats. Tilt the seat and locate the underseat wiring harness. Depress locking tabs and separate connectors carefully. Do not yank wires, instead press the clip and wiggle gently to release. Label each connector and tape pairs together to prevent mix-ups, and place removed wiring inside the cabin to avoid snags while lifting the seat out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.